Inscription number 44. Urlam plates of Hasti-varman Ganga or Gangeya year 80, 576 AD. The Ganga era commenced with the accession of Indra-varman I, who founded the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The first year of this era appears to correspond to 496 AD. Hasti-varman was also called Rajasimha and Rana-bhita. Eastern Ganga kings maintained a strong hold on Kalinga for close to 5 centuries. Consequently, Vajra-hasta abolished Ganga era and instituted Saka era, which was subsequently accepted by Ganga kings. In this inscription, Hasti-varman claimed that he had crushed the many enemies by strokes of the point of his scimitar. Both his Nara-simha-palli plate and Urlam plates he claimed to be the lord of Sakala-kalinga Kalinga-nagara is identified with modern Mukha-lingam. The early Eastern Gangas were surrounded by Sailod-bhabas of Kongoda in the north and Eastern Chalukyas in the south. The emblem found in Early Ganga inscription is the Saiva bull motif. Indra-varman in his prasasti says, "He is that king whose sins have been removed as a result of his accumulation of religious merit by worshipping the Supreme Lord, which is Siva." Provenance obtained from the Raja of Urlam, Chikakole Taluk, Ganjam district, Andhra Pradesh. Script, Early Southern Brahmi of early 4th century AD. Language, Sanskrit. English translation of the inscription. Om He. From Kalinga-nagara, the city of victory, which is pleasant on account of the simultaneous presence of the comforts of all seasons, the illustrious Maharaja Hasti-varman. A fervent worshipper of Maheswara who is in the thoughts of his respected father and mother, whose feet are tinged with the beams of rays of light emanating the crest, jewels of all the feudatories subdued by his excessive valor, who is the support base of the prestige of the flawless family of the Gangas, who has elicited slogans of victory in the melisses of many battles, whose flawless fame has spread on the surface of the entire earth girdled by the waves of the 4 oceans, who acquired the overlordship of entire Kalinga by the flourish of his own sword, who is the support of the base prosperity, righteousness and discipline, who has been absolved from the vices of Kali age in consequence of obeisance to the pair of the lotus-like feet of the holy Lord Gokarna, the sole architect of creation of the entire universe, commands all the riots in the Hondevaka village, situated in the Kroshtuka district. Vartani. Be it known to you that having purchased 2.5 ploughs halas of land from the residents of the Agrahara and demarcating it, exempting it from all taxes, and making it an Agrahara to last as long as the moon and the sun, we have granted it, for the increase of religious merit of our parents and of ourselves on the 8th of the dark fortnight of Kartika, with libation of water. To Jayasarman, who is a resident of Urmalla and is of Vatsa Gotra and a student of the Vajasneya, knowing this nobody should cause obstruction while looking after their land. And boundary marks hereof are to the east, an anthill, then the bank line of a field, then the western bank line of the Ghoshna tank, then again the bank of a field. To the south, only the boundary of Hattaravana, to the west, the bank of a field, then an anthill, then an artificial row of stones. Also to the north, the bank of a field, then an anthill, again an anthill, then reaches the eastern anthill, and future kings should preserve this meritorious gift. Moreover, there are sug by Vyasas. Here follow 3 of the customary verses. 80 years of the reign of increasing victory, the day 8 of Kartika. This charter of the lion, among kings has been written on his verbal order by Vinyachandra the son of Bhanuchandra. This is an edict of the glorious Rana-bhita, whose commands are irresistible, and who has crushed the collection of his enemies by the crash of the edge of scimitar.